Today, I have a very special unboxing video. But before I can get to the actual item, I need a little bit of this tape. Because there's some stuff in here I cannot show. So I'm going to grab a little tape. So stand by. Here we are. This is an invitation to the 2024 SEMA envelope. I'm very excited about this. I should have got a knife. This time I did. So SEMA is a giant trade convention that happens every year in Las Vegas. This year, we're heading down there, and you see all the vehicles. So let's take a look at what we have in here. Actually, I know there's some other confidential information I need to protect. 1 second. All right, here we are. All the confidential information is secure. First thing we have is a brochure for Apex. Apex is a related conference. It supplies the suppliers to the automotive industry. So over there you can find things more on the industrial side, like the switches and the little motors and all kinds of things like that. And I'm just going to open this up. You can take a look at both sides. You can pause and scroll in. If you're interested, zoom in. And then here's the schedule of events. Thank you for registering for Apex and the SEMA show. Badge and badge holder and lanyard are enclosed. When you need the badge and lanyard, they won't let you in without it. These badges are very difficult to get. And you can take a look at the schedule. This SEMA Fest, this is open to the public, and Friday is also open to the public. So you can go and take part in SEMA Fest. There's lots of fun things there. Nitro Circus and all kinds of activities. Bands play. Show reminders. Excuse me. And the main thing, that's actual SEMA badge itself. Look at that. Comes in a clear holder. We're going as buyers this year. This particular badge has a green foil on the side. Some of the holders are different colors, so then the people in the booths can tell right away if you're a buyer or if you're a vendor or what you are. You can tell that at a glance. So this is a pretty short unboxing this time. I'll put everything back together, and the next couple videos are going to be from SEMA, so we'll see you there. Thank you for watching. There we are. Good as new. See you at SEMA.